Good morning, boys and girls. This lesson is for Wednesday, April 22nd. Your reading is to read the Decodable Reader, The New Moose, and Reader's Notebook, pages 163, 166, and 167. Page 163 is a cumulative review, which means we've already gone over this. We add the suffix y, ly, or full to each word, write the word on the line, and read each completed sentence. So the first one is rain. I painted my bedroom one blank day. So would you add y to rain? So rainy, rainly, or rainful? Okay, you gotta pick what word makes the most sense and which one's actually a word. You're skipping page 164 and 165. They're pages that go over the story. I will post the story a little bit later today. Okay, page 166 is words with OO, spelled EW, OO, and OU. Write the spelling word that matches each meaning. So there will be 6 that you have to find the spelling word that belongs to that meaning. And then the bottom part is write the basic word that belongs in each group. So it gives you 2 words, what word best fits in that group. And then page 167 is contractions. Write the contraction for each underlined word or words. So it'll give you like do not, and you have to write the contraction for it, including the apostrophe. And then the bottom is write each sentence. Write a contraction in place of the underlined word. So there again, it gives you a word like they are, and you have to write the contraction for that word. Okay, for math, you have the application problem. I don't think there is an application problem. You have the application problem, and you have, then with our concept development, you're going to be using grid paper, and yours is going to be larger than what I have. I cut mine down because I'm using it in part of our lesson, and I colored some of my grid paper beautiful red and blue. Some of you will appreciate those colors, others probably not. So with my grid paper, I am going to create a design, and I'm going to use 10 tiles on this design. So there's 5 blue, and then there's 5 red. Okay, so with this design I can kind of do anything I want with it, but I'm going to do a pattern, and I'm going to do red, blue, red. So down here my pattern's going to change just a little bit. I'm going to start with blue, if I can get them apart, red, blue. Then my next one's going to change. I'm going to go red, blue, red. Okay, so there's one design. So then for the next one, I am going to cut a few of my tiles and make a triangle out of them. I have to watch what I'm doing. So then I created triangles. I'll start with those. Okay, I'm going to clear my card. And I'm just going to create a design. It doesn't really matter what it looks like. It just has to have some kind of pattern. What one side has on it, the other side, I'm going to make sure I create the same. Okay, so, and I almost don't have enough tile or enough room. So I could go red, blue, red, blue, And then I could change it up just a little bit, and I could add a blue there, blue triangle, red, blue, red. Okay, so you guys have the grid paper, but I did not give you guys a couple copies of it, and I didn't give you colored copies, but that's okay. So if you guys want to color it and cut it apart, and then you guys could just do it on a surface. You don't necessarily have to have that grid paper if you don't, or if you want to cut it apart and do it like I'm doing. Okay, you don't have to have that grid paper. It's just there to kind of help guide you. Okay, so if I wanted to do a tessellation, I might have to, yeah, we'll just do it this way anyway. So a tessellation, let's see. Let's do this one. So I'm going to do red, blue, red, blue, red. And then down here I'm going to do blue. And then I'm going to put another blue one over here. And then I'm going to add a triangle here. Where's my other one? Okay, so that would be a tessellation. So what you're going to do, I know I'm running way late on this video, I'm sorry. So with this lesson, your problem set, you are going to cut out square tiles, okay? So the this page right here, you're going to cut those out, and you're going to create a design for this, okay? So it says share with a partner or work with a partner. What I want you to do is I want your parents to take a picture of one of these, just one of them, and send it to me, okay? That's how I know you created that. And then when you're done, you're going to do the exit ticket. You're going to create a design with the paper tiles you used in the lesson, shade in your design on the graph paper. So whatever you did using your tiles, you're just going to do it here, and then you're going to color it in instead. Okay? All right, have a great day.